everyone. My name is Tanayati. My register number is URK24 AI1077. So today I'll be explaining Docker and Kubernetes Laboratory Experiment number 2, Introduction to Kubernetes Architecture and Building a Web App with Open Source Docker Images from Docker Hub. So our aim is to build a web app with open source Docker image from Docker Hub. So what is a Docker image? An image is a read-only template with instructions for creating a Docker container. Often an image is based on another image with some additional customization. For example, we may build an image which is based on the Ubuntu image, but install the Apache web server and our application, as well as the configuration details needed to make our application run. Then Docker registry. A Docker registry stores Docker images. Docker Hub is a public registry that anyone can use, and Docker is configured to look for images on the Docker Hub by default. We can even run our own private registry. When we use the Docker pull or Docker run commands, the required images are pulled from our configured registry. When we when we use the Docker push command, our image is pushed to our configured registry. Next we're going to talk about Kubernetes. So, what are Kubernetes? Kubernetes, often shortened to K8s, is an open source system for automating deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. It's a platform that orchestrates containers, grouping them into pods and managing their life cycle, including deployment, scaling, and updates. So, this is the Kubernetes clusters. Here we see the control plane, compute machines. Yeah. So next, we'll be talking about the procedures. Step one is to list the images available. That is the Docker images that is available in our Docker. And the second step is to download image from the Docker Hub. In order to download an image, we have to run the command docker pull nx colon latest. Then step three is to run image in container. The command for it is docker run nx colon latest. Step four is to access the container. We need port binding. List containers with port numbers. So the command for that is docker ps hyphen a, then docker run hyphen p 9000 colon 80 slash d next colon latest. So we'll get an output like this. When we go to the web, we'll get an output like this. So the result is we have successfully built a web app with open source Docker images from Docker Hub. Thank you.